Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com sign in across multiple domains. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate monday.com sign in across multiple domains, begin by accessing the monday.com website. Log in to your primary account. Navigate to the admin settings from the left sidebar. Select the authentication tab in the admin panel. Choose the option for single sign-on. In the Single Sign-On section, select Add New Domain. Enter the domain. Ensure the domain's configuration complies with the required settings. Save the changes after adding the new domain. Next, access your DNS provider's management console. Create a new TXT record for the domain you just added. Insert the verification details provided by monday.com into the TXT record. Allow some time for DNS records to propagate. After the propagation, return to the monday.com admin panel. Click on the Verify Domain button. Once the domain is verified, proceed to configure the SSO settings. Follow the prompts to integrate your identity provider for authentication. Enter the necessary API keys and endpoints from your identity provider. Test the authentication process by logging in from the newly added domain. If successful, users should now be able to access monday.com with their credentials. Repeat the process for additional domains as needed. Double-check the settings to ensure all domains are configured correctly. Make sure to communicate the changes to your team for smooth access. That's how you authenticate monday.com sign-in across multiple domains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.